Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SAIFUL bin MOHAMED. So, I will explain about the introduction. Fuel cells and hydrogen have had a favorable impact on the automotive industry manufacturers and customers during the past 30 years. Automakers' primary objective is to reduce fuel consumption and exhaust emission while simultaneously enhancing energy efficiency, range limits, and the adoption of new technologies. Consequently, automobiles equipped with electric assist propulsion systems are referred to as electric vehicles. In addition, researchers and manufacturers are now concentrating on hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles and battery electric vehicles. Next is the history. According to common opinion, Sir William Grove, also known as the father of the fuel cell, found evidence of potential electricity generation as early as 1893 when he reversed the electrolysis of water. The phrase fuel cell was originally used in 1889 by researchers Charles Langer and Ludwig Mohn, who were attempting to create the first workable fuel cell utilizing coal gas and air. Although there were more efforts in the early beginning of 20th century to create fuel cells that could turn carbon or coal into electricity, the introduction of the IC engine momentarily dashed hopes of the advancement of the nation's technology.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad BADZLI bin Bakri and I will talk about the theory of operation on how it can reduce emission and pollution for FCEV. So, the fuel cell source of energy, hydrogen gas, is a clean, adaptable energy source that emits no nitrogen oxide or carbon dioxide. Hydrogen is particularly versatile since it may be transported and stored in both liquid and gaseous form. Hydrogen is the main fuel source used by fuel cell electric vehicles, which react chemically with oxygen in the fuel cell stack to produce heat, water vapor, and electricity. Additionally, hydrogen generation can make use of renewable energy sources, guaranteeing a fuel cycle with low greenhouse gas emission and sustainability. Compared to conventional internal combustion engine vehicles, fuel cell electric vehicles have substantially lower greenhouse gas emissions, especially when hydrogen is produced from renewable resources. And by producing just water vapor, they also help to enhance the quality of the air in metropolitan areas by lowering pollutants like nitrogen oxide and particulate matter that are harmful to public health and air quality. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad ZAFRAN ARIF bin BEDU ARIFIN. Today, I will explain about the system diagram. In the fuel cell of an fuel cell electric vehicle, hydrogen and oxygen generate electrical energy. This energy is directed into the electric motor and or the battery as needed. So, how this fuel cell electric vehicle works? As we can see the picture here, the green color is the hydrogen stream and blue color for electricity stream. So the hydrogen comes from one or more tanks in the car, while the oxygen comes from the ambient air. The electricity generated in the fuel cell takes two routes, depending on what the specific driving situation demands. It flows to the electric motor, directly drives the vehicle, and or it charges the battery that acts as a temporary storage until the energy is needed for the drive. It's also being constantly recharged by the fuel cell. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur AMIRA. My matric number B0920100055. I will explain about advantages and disadvantages hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle FCEV. The advantages are zero emission, quick refueling, long driving range, and reduced dependence on lithium. While the disadvantages are limited infrastructure, energy-intensive hydrogen production, storage and transportation challenges, high cost, limited vehicle models, competition with battery electric vehicles, and lastly, environmental impact of hydrogen production. That's all from me. Thank you.
Opinion on the technology for the near future and improvement on the selected technology. Hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles show great promises for the future, especially in reducing carbon emission. Advancement in fuel cell technology make them a clean and competitive alternative to traditional engines. However, to fully realize their potential, key improvements are needed. Infrastructure development. Establish a robust hydrogen infrastructure for production, storage, and distribution. Address challenges related to the availability and accessibility of hydrogen refueling stations. This is crucial for widespread FCEV adoption. Cost dynamic of hydrogen production. Despite hydrogen being a clean and abundant, the economical feasibility of large-scale production is a challenge. Invest in research and development to optimize efficiency and cost effectiveness. Make FCEVs economically viable and competitive in the automotive market. Public awareness and acceptance. Educate the public on the benefit of hydrogen fuel cell technology. Supportive government policies and incentives are crucial. Overcome skepticism and accelerate FCEVs adoption. In conclusion, FCEVs hold promise but need improvements in infrastructure costs and public awareness to become mainstream. Addressing the areas will enhance environmental benefits and make FCEVs a more attractive option for consumers in the near future.